You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this cabaret? Cabaret, located in Montmartre, in Paris. To learn more names of famous places in Paris and useful French vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. So let's break it down. Au Lapin Agile, meaning at the agile rabbit or agile rabbit. Au Lapin Agile. Au Lapin Agile. You could say it in English as Au Lapin Agile. Au Lapin Agile. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.